In the vast expanse of the cosmos, a grand story unfolds. A story of cosmic evolution, of stardust transforming into planets teeming with life. This is the tale of Earth, our home, a planet born from the ashes of ancient stars. Join me, dear reader, as we embark on an extraordinary journey through time. A journey that spans billions of years, from the Big Bang to the emergence of life as we know it. Our voyage begins with the Big Bang, an event that marked the beginning of space and time itself. Approximately 13.8 billion years ago, the universe exploded into existence, expanding from an infinitesimally small point. From this cosmic soup of energy and matter, the first stars ignited, forging the building blocks of life within their fiery cores. As these stars reached the end of their lives, they exploded as supernovas, scattering these newly formed elements across the cosmos. These stellar remnants, enriched with the ingredients for life, would eventually coalesce, forming new stars and planetary systems. And so, the stage was set for the birth of our planet. About 4.6 billion years ago, in an unremarkable corner of the Milky Way galaxy, a new star ignited, our Sun. Around this nascent star, a swirling disk of gas and dust, the remnants of a supernova, began to clump together under the relentless pull of gravity. This process, known as accretion, marked the birth of our solar system, including our own planet Earth. Early Earth was a far cry from the serene blue planet we know today. It was a hellish world, a molten inferno constantly bombarded by asteroids and comets. Volcanoes erupted across the surface, spewing molten lava and gases into the primordial atmosphere. Over millions of years, Earth began to cool. Dense materials like iron and nickel sank to form the core, while lighter materials rose to form the crust. As Earth cooled further, water vapor released from volcanic eruptions began to condense in the atmosphere. Torrential rains lashed the planet's surface, forming the first oceans. These vast bodies of water would become the cradle of life, the setting for one of the most remarkable chapters in Earth's history. The question of how life originated on Earth remains one of science's most enduring mysteries. Yet we know that life emerged remarkably early in our planet's history, sometime around 3.8 billion years ago. The first inhabitants of our planet were simple, single-celled organisms known as prokaryotes. These early life forms thrived in the harsh conditions of the early Earth, in environments devoid of oxygen and rich in volcanic gases. One particular group of prokaryotes, cyanobacteria, evolved the ability to perform photosynthesis. This revolutionary process, using sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into energy, would forever alter the course of life on Earth. Cyanobacteria released oxygen as a byproduct of photosynthesis, gradually filling the atmosphere with this vital gas. This great oxidation event, around 2.4 billion years ago, was a turning point in Earth's history. While it proved toxic to many anaerobic life forms, it paved the way for the evolution of more complex, oxygen-breathing organisms. The Precambrian era, spanning from Earth's formation to about 541 million years ago, represents the largest slice of our planet's history. It was during this vast expanse of time that life evolved from simple, single-celled organisms into more complex, multicellular forms. The emergence of eukaryotes, cells with a nucleus containing their genetic material, was a major milestone in this early evolution of life. Eukaryotic cells are the building blocks of all plants and animals, including us. The development of sexual reproduction, allowing for greater genetic diversity, further fueled the engine of evolution. Towards the end of the Precambrian, the first multicellular organisms emerged. These early pioneers of multicellularity, such as the enigmatic Ediacaran biota, paved the way for the remarkable diversification of life that would characterize the next chapter in Earth's history. The stage was set for the Cambrian explosion. Section 5. Paleozoic, a burst of life. The Paleozoic era, beginning about 541 million years ago, marked a period of dramatic change in Earth's history. This era witnessed the Cambrian explosion, a biological event unparalleled in its scale and speed. Over a relatively short period, most major animal phyla appeared in the fossil record. The Cambrian seas were teeming with a dazzling array of new life forms, from the iconic trilobites with their segmented bodies to the bizarre hallucigenia, a creature with spines and tentacles. This explosion of life wasn't confined to the oceans. Plants began to colonize the land, transforming the barren landscape into verdant ecosystems. The Paleozoic also saw the rise of the first vertebrates, animals with backbones. Fish, the earliest vertebrates, diversified and evolved, giving rise to the first amphibians. These intrepid explorers ventured onto land, marking a pivotal step in the transition from water to land. The Paleozoic era concluded with the Permian-Triassic extinction event, the largest mass extinction in Earth's history. Section 6. Mesozoic, the reign of reptiles. The Mesozoic era, often dubbed the Age of Reptiles, spanned from about 252 to 66 million years ago. This era witnessed the rise and dominance of dinosaurs, the most iconic creatures to have ever walked the Earth. From the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex to the long-necked Brachiosaurus, dinosaurs ruled the land for over 186 million years. The Mesozoic wasn't just the age of dinosaurs. It also saw the evolution of the first birds, descendants of theropod dinosaurs. Pterosaurs, flying reptiles, took to the skies, while ichthyosaurs and plesiosaurs ruled the seas. Flowering plants, or angiosperms, evolved, forever changing the face of terrestrial ecosystems. The Mesozoic era came to a dramatic end with the Chicxulub impact event, when an asteroid approximately 6 miles wide slammed into the Yucatan Peninsula. This catastrophic event triggered widespread wildfires, tsunamis, and a global dust cloud that plunged the planet into darkness. The reign of the dinosaurs was over, paving the way for a new era, the Cenozoic. Section 7. Cenozoic rise of mammals. The Cenozoic era, beginning about 66 million years ago, is known as the Age of Mammals. With the dinosaurs out of the picture, mammals, who had existed alongside dinosaurs for millions of years, seized the opportunity to diversify and evolve. They filled the ecological niches left vacant by the extinction of the dinosaurs. The Cenozoic witnessed the evolution of a wide variety of mammals, from whales and dolphins in the oceans to bats in the air. Primates, the order to which humans belong, also underwent significant diversification during this era. Among them, a lineage of apes known as hominids evolved in Africa, eventually giving rise to our own species, Homo sapiens. Humans, with their capacity for abstract thought, language, and tool use, have had an unprecedented impact on the planet. We have altered landscapes, domesticated plants and animals, and developed complex societies. Our actions have ushered in a new epoch, the Anthropocene, a testament to our profound influence on the planet. Section 8. Our pale blue dot, present and future. Today we stand at a crossroads in Earth's history. Our planet, a pale blue dot suspended in the vastness of space, faces unprecedented challenges. Climate change, driven by human activities, is altering global temperatures, disrupting weather patterns, and threatening ecosystems worldwide. Biodiversity loss, fueled by habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change, is pushing many species towards extinction. Despite these challenges, there is hope. We have the knowledge, the tools, and the ingenuity to address these pressing issues. By transitioning to clean energy sources, embracing sustainable practices, and protecting our planet's biodiversity, we can chart a more sustainable course for ourselves and future generations. The story of Earth and life on it is a testament to the power of evolution, the interconnectedness of all living things, and the importance of understanding our place in the grand scheme of the cosmos. As we look to the future, let us be guided by the lessons of the past, working together to ensure that our pale blue dot remains a vibrant and thriving home for generations to come.